Hi everybody, this is Matt McGarren again, doing another live video again of these cars. I didn't see these ones, so I'm gonna video record it, shoot it up and upload it onto YouTube so you can check it out. Let's see if I get a broad view here. This tiny mini super mini little car, kind of funky looking. I could say probably not too popular, but still cool. So there's other cars, so I'll go ahead and video record it. Check it out. Check out the interior. Steering wheel. Maybe get a little bit broader view. Check up the name. There's a little bit of light going on. There's a little information about the car. You can read through that. Ooh. Two traps there. That's a really funky car though. German. So let's go and check out the other one. Go over this one.
So this is piccolo in the house.
Here's another little mini car. There's the Cabriolet. See if we can get close to it. Broad view. Let's check out the name of it. You can see that? Hopefully so. So like I was saying in the other video, at CentralWorld, they have something always going on. Either cars or motorcycles.
We're going out this way, right? Yeah.
Something like that, some type of shows going on. So I might add this to my video collection. Check out the back there. Nice paint job though, for red. Let's see. I gotta put this down. Let's see if I can get that. There's that part. Did I say anything too much? Check the inside. Over the inside. I think this is custom inside now. Not original. You probably have people think I'm crazy. See the video recorder. That's okay. Oh, right behind this guy. Alright, yeah. Okay, let's go to this car. This car's much bigger. Much cooler. Convertible. Check it out. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Recognize that inlet? Little plastic. Mosey all around here. Check out the rims. White wall, white line. So neat. Shines and glares. Check out the interior. Nice. Interior. So that's a broad view of the inside. Looks like it came with air conditioning. That was special. For when this car came out, that's pretty expensive. Check around the back. Everything's beautiful. This car. So at least the light's working pretty decent. Still got these lights on top that just, you can tell that the car itself is not like that. Get this broad view. Side panels, interior. I'm not too sure if it's original interior, but it looks nice. I like the brown. Pretty cool. Brown dashboard and stuff. And yes, there is another car. Let's check out the template right here. You see it's at CentralWorld, right down below. It's a big, huge mall in Bangkok. See what this part says, forever. So let's go through these two small cars over here. Keep it all in one video. Yeah, cool. Here's some really small, cool little cars. Get a broad view of this. Both view, I should say. Looks nice, but those lights back there kind of funky out the camera. Let's go ahead and check out the a little bit. I don't know if I can get a good picture of this though. Let's see if I step back and yeah, it might be a little bit hard to read all that information. There's a light right above it, so that's a bummer. Small little tiny blue car. Still looks nice. Check out the interior and top view of the dash panel and stuff. Back over here. There's another one too, so get both of them in this video. See if I can get some of these people. I gotta make up my mind when I look at it here, guys. Awesome car. Let's go through this other one in the back of it. This is definitely not style car, but that's okay. Check out the front. Looks like a military car. I don't know why. Pretty cool. See if I can get this template. Much there. Let's get all the way back so you can get a private view of it. Kind of funky. 4-door. See what we can get from the other side here. Interior. Probably customized. I would say. I think you could expect that. But I'm pretty sure this car goes. So I'm almost done with this video. I'll probably take some regular photos of it. See if I can do that. Pretty interesting little car. Hey, it could be a good surfboard beach car. Could be that. Surfboards would fit perfect on it. Let's get, yeah, that out of the way. Those lights are just terrible. I'm gonna move over here and have that bling going on. So I'm gonna say that this is this video, and thank you for watching. This person passes, leave me your comments, and have a good one.